In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable link to Ticktick. If you've ever wanted to organize your tasks better by linking to external websites or documents, this guide is for you. We'll dive into utilizing the Markdown format to create clickable links in Ticktick, which can be incredibly handy for directing yourself or others to additional resources or related information while keeping your tasks neatly organized. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand where you can add these links. Ticktick allows you to use the Markdown format either in the task description or notes field, and sometimes even in the task title itself. This flexibility gives you the power to link just about anything relevant to your task, whether it's a helpful website, a document, or any important resource. Now let's get into the specifics of how to implement this. The key here is using the Markdown link syntax. Essentially, you're creating a hyperlink using a simple format. Here's the structure you'll use. Open with a square bracket, type the link text you want displayed, close the bracket, open a parenthesis, insert the URL of your link, and finally close the parenthesis. It looks like this: open bracket, link text, close bracket, open parenthesis, URL, close parenthesis. For example, if you want to link to Google, you would write open bracket, Google search, close bracket, open parenthesis, https www.google.com, close parenthesis. So, to apply this, the first step is to open the task to which you want to add a link. By clicking on the task, you'll access the task details view. Once in this view, navigate to the description or notes field. This is where you'll input your Markdown link. Type the Markdown text you just learned. As soon as you finish with the closing parenthesis, Ticktick will process your entry and you'll see your link text, like Google search, become a clickable link. It's as simple as that. Here's an extra tip that might come in handy. If you're in a hurry or dealing with a raw URL, you can simply paste the URL directly into the description or notes field. Ticktick usually recognizes it and will automatically convert it into a clickable link without needing the full Markdown format. The beauty of using Markdown, though, is the ability to customize the link's display text, offering a polished and clear representation of your links. So, there you have it. An easy and efficient way to enhance your Ticktick tasks with clickable links using the Markdown format. With this approach, you can make your task management system not only more organized, but also more interactive, allowing you to access essential links with just a click. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!